So I believe I told you that I had problems with my extra fine DMT stone. I sent it back. They actually made me pay shipping on it, which was annoying. And it wasn't exactly the fastest process. I think from start to finish it was 6 weeks, but I did get it back. Straight out of the box, you can see it's all scratched, which apparently is just par for the course. And while I was a little annoyed, like I said, that it took so long, that they basically didn't believe me at first, it was kind of nice that they sent some extra things in here to sweeten the deal. So I got this little sharpener right here. Not sure what grit it is. And I also got this as well. Not sure what grit it is. So that was kind of nice. I feel slightly better about the whole thing. All the stones that I've ever had come with these materials and some instructions. Mine also came with a packing slip that I took out, as well as some instructions on how to use it. Here it is. So again, the whole surface looks like it's scratched up, or maybe that's just the pattern. It's kind of difficult to tell which side is which. So I'm glad they do put arrows. And it's back in. All right, so straight off of the extra fine stone. Let me clean off. I feel a little bit of a burr. You see that? At just that angle, clearly has the scratches on it. However, I will say that the scratches aren't that bad. I can definitely feel a burr. You can hear it too. Looks like a nice edge, but again, if you look at it from this angle, you can see the scratches. But I think they'll wear away, so I'm pleased right now. We'll see what happens. All right, let's see if I can get a pretty good shot of the actual edge. All right, look, you can clearly see the burr at the top there. You can see all the scratches, the scratch patterns. See the burr? So that's what it gets you right out of the box, that scratch pattern right there, which isn't bad. I expect it's going to get much better over time, so here's the hoping. I'm going to take it to the shop and see how many strokes it takes to actually put a mirror edge on this. Just loaded up with some green compounds, and we'll see what happens. So you watched all the strokes I took on the strop there. Clearly mirror edge. A little bit longer than I'd like, and I think some of it has to do with just the cutting speed of that green compound I got from Harbor Freight. It works, but it seems to be a little, I don't know, it doesn't cut that fast. All right, let's do a cut test. Not bad. All right, let's see what kind of shaving we can get straight off the sharpening there. Feels nice. Let me try and pull a shaving. Considering it's a number 8, not a bad surface. Not a bad shaving. Pretty thin. Surface-wise, I don't know if you can see the sheen, but it's putting off a nice little sheen there. There it is. I'm pleased. So it does its job. A little bit more stropping than I would like, but again, I think that with time, as it wears down and wears in, I think it'll be just great. Well, I hope this quick little video about my new DMT swag, or replacing my extra fine stone and then getting some free stuff from them, I hope it's been useful, and maybe it'll help you to pull the trigger or not. But anyways, thanks for watching and have a great day.